Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In this video, I am going to show you one of the best ever binary options trading strategies. It's simple, it's fast, and traders are using this logic to find high-quality entries every single day. We are trading on the 1-minute time frame with a 1-minute expiry. And the best part? We only need one indicator to make this work. Before we jump into the settings, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk, so I always recommend practicing this strategy on a demo account first before using real money. Open your indicator list and select Bollinger Bands. By default, the settings might be different, so we need to tweak them for this specific strategy. Change the period to 9 and the deviation to 1.5. This is the secret sauce, a 1.5 deviation keeps the bands tighter, allowing us to catch the breakouts and reversals much faster than the standard settings. Your chart should look like this. Now, let's get into the strategy based on the engulfing candlestick patterns. First, let's look for a sell opportunity. We need to see the market momentum shift. Step 1, we need the price to touch the lower Bollinger Band, and then travel all the way up to touch the upper Bollinger Band. This shows us the buyers have pushed the price as high as it can go. Step 2. Once the price is at the upper band, we wait for a bearish engulfing pattern. This is when a red candle completely covers the previous green candle. Once that pattern forms firmly at the upper band, that is your signal. You take a sell trade immediately on the very next candle for 1 minute. Now let's flip it for a buy trade. The logic is the exact same, but reversed. Step 1. We wait for the price to touch the upper band, and then drop down to touch the lower Bollinger Band. Step 2. Watch closely for a bullish engulfing pattern, a strong green candle that engulfs the previous red one. When you see this confirm on the chart, the market is ready to bounce back up. Take a buy trade on the next candle for 1 minute. To make this strategy even easier, I've created a free step-by-step checklist PDF explaining all these rules clearly. You don't have to memorize them right now. You can download it from my Telegram channel, and the link is right below in the video description. Now that you understand the settings and rules, let's move to the live chart and see how this strategy performs in real market conditions. Alright, let's stop talking and look at the live market. I want you to pay close attention to this chart because a perfect setup has just formed right in front of our eyes. I've just placed a buy trade, and I want to explain exactly why before this candle closes. Look strictly at the price action. We saw the market travel all the way from the upper Bollinger Band down to the lower Bollinger Band. But remember, touching the line isn't enough. We need confirmation. Do you see that strong green candle inside the white box? It completely engulfs the previous red candle. That is our textbook bullish engulfing pattern. The moment that candle closed, confirming the buyers were stepping back in, I immediately entered the trade for 1 minute. Now the trade is active. This is where the magic of the settings happens. Notice how the price reacts to that lower band? Because we set our deviation to 1.5, the bands act like a tight spring. The price hit that lower wall, got rejected, and is now snapping back up towards the middle. And look at that huge push! The market respected our analysis perfectly. The candle shot up, closing significantly higher than our entry point. Alright, let's dive into a live example. I want you to focus entirely on this specific chart setup because it is a textbook definition of a high probability trade. I have just entered a buy position, and here is the exact 3-step breakdown of why I pulled the trigger. Look at where the price is. It came down aggressively and hit our lower Bollinger Band, but simply hitting the line isn't enough to trade. We need proof that the buyers are stepping in. Do you see the pattern inside that white box? That is a massive bullish engulfing candle. The green body completely swallows the previous red candle. This tells us that the selling pressure is exhausted, and the buyers have taken control with force. As soon as that confirmation candle closed, I entered the trade. Now, watch how the market reacts during the trade. This is the beauty of using the 1.5 deviation setting. Usually, in a strong downtrend, the price would hug the band and keep dropping. But because we waited for that engulfing confirmation, the Bollinger Band is now acting like a solid floor. The price is rejecting that lower level and pushing back up toward the middle of the channel. And there is the result. The trade closes comfortably above our entry point. Trading this strategy looks simple when you see it on video, but remember, consistency is the hardest part. That is exactly why you need that PDF checklist I mentioned earlier. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this strategy to more traders. Don't forget to subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies so you never miss an update. Practice this on your demo account first. Stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading!